How to fix challenge required error on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix challenge required on Instagram. Now the process is quite simple. The first is to uninstall and reinstall the app. You can simply uninstall and reinstall the application and try if this helps. If this doesn't help, however, you want to try and switch between your networks. So you can scroll on notification bar, you can switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Basically you have to switch between your networks, and if this still doesn't help, then the best way to fix it is to clear your cache or the app data. Now to do so, scroll down notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it here, you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option apps. Under apps, you want to search in for Instagram. I'll just search in quickly here from the search bar, and under Instagram you want to head into storage option that you can see here. Now at the bottom you can see clear data and clear cache. You can try first clearing your cache, and if this doesn't help, then the best way to fix it is to clear your data. Simply tap on clear data, and you can see all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This will reduce all files, settings, accounts, databases as well. So you want to simply tap on clear data and tap on delete, and once you do so, you want to log in back to your Instagram account, and this will fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.